What's up, everybody? This is Juby at aMAYSingMetalWorks and the Installation Center. I wanted to give a quick rundown of what happened this weekend to Lara Lor-Van, the Galaxie for modern riding. I'm gonna flip around here and show you. Well, first I'll talk about Black Mountain. John Patterson, Black Mountain Sandblasting is where the car will go to get sandblasted and sealed. The frame will do the same thing. Will get sandblasted and won't get sealed, and then the frame will go to Joey at Linear Powder Coating, and he will be doing the powder coating on it. So looking forward to all this. We'll talk about the others as they come along. AMD was here doing some of the pictures and filming and all this weekend for the Modern Rod and Tech articles on the car. So I'm gonna flip around here and show you what we have so far this weekend, what happened. Had a whole car and we've cut it down. It's on the jig. We've cut it down to find out what it's gonna need. We already knew floors, seat riser, rear seat pan, trunk floor, wheel houses. It's getting tubbed, so definitely going to need those. Found a little bit of rust right here in the floor. They make a toe board patch, but we're not going to use the toe board patch because I don't do nothing like that. I don't do no patching stuff. So, unless they do not make it, then I make it myself. I'm going to have the firewall is going to be replaced. They make an upper cowl, AMD, and a lower cowl, but it's not going to get those because those are good. No need in cutting them out. Like I say, we're going to do the firewall. I'm going to do a tech article on doing some patching on the roof. There's a couple spots, but as far as on the inside, it's not really bad. That's surface rust and glue, so it's not really terrible. Package tray and all is good. These are going to get moved. I'm going to make some 3-inch wider tubs to go with it. I've already did the frame. I'll flip around and show you it in a minute. Rockers are good. It's going to get the new floor. Package tray is good. Back half of the package tray is pretty shot. I don't think they make it. I'm going to have to double check tomorrow. It's Sunday. The end's kind of messed up. Haven't really cleaned none of it off yet, just got it cut down. It's got some patching up here in the roof, gonna have to fix. Cell panels are pretty good. They make these little bracket, the little braces here. They make the inner braces for the quarters, all that good stuff. So, like I say, package tray, the back half of it, this is like a 3-piece. It ain't like most cars. Usually it's one whole piece all the way back to the deck filler. So I'm going to hand make this, and I'll probably do a tech article on it, make it, do all the bead rolling, all the stuff on that. I'm going to try my hand at it. Usually pretty good. Got the frame here. I've got it on this temporarily because I got to make a rotisserie to put it on so it can go to the powder coating. The 4-link, moved the frame rails in 3 inches. Made these pieces here. First it was all just tacked on. Still not sure about the 4-link, if we're going to run with this 4-link or another 4-link. So just going to leave it as it is, because if it does any other 4-link, it'll probably end up utilizing the same areas. Going to box all this in, smooth it, clean it, basically like this part. I welded in a piece, and then I'm gonna weld in all the way around, smooth it, roll it, because frame's gonna get powder coated. Have some people that's going to make A-arms, upper and lower A-arms that are tubular. So I ain't really gonna talk about who it is just yet, because I'm not real sure if I can. Also, some other stuff happened this weekend. We have EFI for the motor. I've got the motor torn down. It's getting ready to be rebuilt and gone through. It's the 390. I think we're going to stick with it, or possibly Coyote. Not really sure. It's not my car, but if it was me, I'd put the 390 back in it. Coyote would be great, but like I say, it all depends on the owner of the car, Eddie, if he decides to go with the Coyote or he decides to keep the 390. I'm voting 390 with a 2.4 barrel intake with EFI. And let's see, there was something else. Got some news about the interior. Don't really want to release that yet. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty positive, and I don't want to let it out there yet until we talk more and they okay that I can release the interior. So until then, just wanted to do this little video and do an update on Lara Lor-Van and let you guys know what's going on. I guess I'll see some of you guys on Tech Talk Tuesday and probably talk a little more about it. Other than that, I hope everybody had a great weekend, and see you next time.